Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about Namecheap Hosting Setup Complete Guide, which includes DNS and even cPanel, email, SSL and WordPress. Let's talk about first of all hosting, and before we go further, let's log into our Namecheap account. Once you log into your account, you will end up over here. This is the dashboard of Namecheap. On the left side of the menu, you will find domain list. Click on this. Once you click on that, you will end up over here. These are my domain list over here. Now let's say this domain is hosted by Namecheap itself. So how you can find that? Click on manage. Here you will see name servers. If you see this one, Namecheap web hosting DNS, that means it is connected to the Namecheap hosting itself. But if you want to connect this to someone different hosting, how you can do that? Make sure to open this and change this to Namecheap basic DNS. After that, let's say I'm going to host this to GoDaddy. So go to your GoDaddy and find name servers in DNS settings and change these servers to Namecheap. Once you do that, you will change the hosting of Namecheap domain. Now let's talk about cPanel. Let's go back to the dashboard, and here you can see this is the domain which we were talking about. After that, we have this option, and here you will see the plan which I am using right now. And under that, we have go to cPanel option. You can get access to cPanel from over here. Click on this. And as you can see, we are at cPanel of that specific domain. So to connect multiple domains through cPanel, you can just search for the domain at the top right corner. And here you will see domains. Click on this option. Once you click on that, you will see the domains you have right now. And if you want to create a new one, you can also create that from over here. So this is how you can create new domains. Let's talk about Namecheap SSL. SSL is one of the most important thing which you can have on your website. At the top right corner, you can just search for Namecheap SSL. You will see something like this, and at the right, you will see exclusive for Namecheap customers. Click on this option and you can see I have multiple domains over here, and you can install the SSL by clicking on this option. But if you click on the top option, installed via Namecheap SSL, you can see I have already installed SSL on one domain, and you can just turn on this option. It might take some time to load up to get active, maybe 10 minutes. Then your Namecheap SSL will be activated on the specific domain. So now there are two things left. First, email, how you can create that. And the second one is WordPress. Those are very easy and you can create them in cPanel also. You can see that cPanel is one of the best out there and it's doing every single work for us. So obviously you need to search at the top right corner email, and you can see email accounts. Open this option. You will end up over here. On the left side, you will see your domain over here, and select the domain, and you can see the check email if you want to, or if you want to create a new one, just click on this option and start creating by clicking on your domain. This is very easy steps. Now the last option would be WordPress. Search for Softaculous Apps Installer. Click on this option and you will end up over here. Here you can see I have WordPress. Click on this and you can install WordPress from over here. Once you install that, I have already done that, as you can see at the bottom. So I'm not going to do that. But once you install this, you can create a password and admin username so you can log in to WordPress. Once you do that, you will create your own WordPress ID from over here. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to set up Namecheap hostings. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.